In the darkness, real power is being built. Steel awakens in extreme heat, forged, hardened, tempered. Every process defines the limits of a hydraulic breaker. This is BEILITE, not assembly. A true manufacturing system, built by real manufacturers. From raw material cutting to precision machining, heat treatment, assembly, and testing. Everything happens inside our own factory. Because a machine's lifespan is never defined by appearance. It is defined by steel strength, machining precision, and the discipline behind every detail. Massive CNC machines run day and night. Steel is shaped under constant impact of industry. Every piston, every cylinder, inspected, tested, verified, stable, durable, built for heavy output. This is the standard of real construction equipment. In mines, in tunnels, in quarries, under extreme working conditions, BEILITE hydraulic breakers deliver continuous impact power. On high-density rock, they keep performing, without hesitation. Because real equipment is not built to be displayed. It is built to work when conditions turn extreme. Quality is not a slogan. It is a manufacturing decision. From forging, to heat treatment, to every precision fit inside the system. Respect for engineering is built into every machine. BEILITE continues to evolve manufacturing technology and raise production standards. From Asia to the Middle East to Africa and Europe, BEILITE machines operate on global job sites, chosen not for the lowest price, but for long-term reliability and performance. Real power is not a moment of impact. It is endurance under time and pressure. This is BEILITE, born from manufacturing, driven by precision, built for global performance. BEILITE hydraulic breakers, power that lasts